In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Gmail screen size. If your inbox feels cramped or, on the flip side, too spread out, the quickest, most reliable way to fix that inside Gmail is to adjust the display density. This setting doesn't change your monitor or browser zoom. It simply controls how much space each email row and its details take up. So you can see more at once or give your eyes a little more breathing room. Start by opening Gmail in your web browser and head to your inbox. Look toward the top right corner for the gear icon, which opens Settings. Click that gear to bring up the Quick Settings panel. Right near the top, you'll see a section labeled Density or Display Density. This is where the magic happens. You'll have three choices: Default, Comfortable, and Compact. When you pick one, Gmail applies it right away, so you can immediately see how your inbox layout changes without hunting for a save button. Default is the balanced, standard look. It keeps a clean layout and shows useful visual cues like small attachment icons or thumbnails right in the message list, so you can tell at a glance which emails include files. If you like a modern feel with just enough spacing to keep things readable, Default is a great everyday choice. Comfortable increases the spacing between items. This makes each email row feel more open, which can reduce visual clutter and eye strain. If you work on a larger monitor or you prefer a more relaxed view where your cursor has a bit more room to land, Comfortable can make scrolling and scanning easier. Compact tightens everything up to fit more emails on the screen at once. If you deal with a high volume of messages, use a smaller laptop, or just want to minimize scrolling, Compact is designed for efficiency. Text remains readable, but margins and gaps shrink so you can see more of your inbox in a single glance. A few quick tips as you choose. You can switch among these options anytime, and Gmail remembers your selection for your account, so you won't have to redo it every session. There's no risk here. Nothing about your actual emails changes, and this setting only affects how your inbox looks to you. Try each option for a few seconds and notice how many emails appear on the screen, how easy it is to scan subject lines, and whether attachment indicators are helpful for your workflow. That's all there is to it. Click the gear icon, look for display density, and choose Default, Comfortable, or Compact to match your needs. Pick the one that helps you work faster and with less strain, and enjoy a Gmail layout that finally feels just right.